think we've got a coin here and lots of worms. Half penny by the look of that. Kangaroo, 1943. Not old enough. Let's see what this is. It's about there. Hopefully it's a coin. It'd be nice. Oh Jesus. Bad grass here. Can't hear a thing there. That's probably a good sign. Oh wow. Nothing. Pocket watch, guys. Wow. Well, it looks like it's almost whole. Might be able to open that up. So I'm guessing this is where the handle and everything, not the handle, but the hands were on there. Maybe there was another piece over the top of that, but anyway, we'll grab that and see if we can clean it up later and see if there's anything else in there. Well, not else in there, but see if there's any markings or anything on there that might be able to identify something on there. So that's an interesting one. Bit dirty around here though. And it's just been raining a little bit, so $13.45. 10 centimeters. Let's just see, I guess. Oh, there's grass. Shit. Can't hear hardly anything. This ground must have been topped, or heaps of silt on it from when it's been flooded. There's the coin. Feels like a penny. Just guessing. Let's see if we can do a guessing game here. Feels in quite good condition. I'm going to say that that's actually a silver florin without looking, and just going by the feel of the surface. Here we go. Damn it. It's a 52 rue penny, you little bugger. Anyway, at least it was something. All right. It's 12:44. Somewhere there. I've got it, it's a coin. Let's do the guessing game here. Oh, penny, I guess. Let's say it's a 42 rue. Oh my gosh, it's a florin. Oh shit. 1957 florin. There you go. I guessed a florin on the other one, and I thought, no, there's no way it couldn't be a florin. So I thought it'd be a penny, but it's a 57 florin. There you go. Well done me. Not full silver, but at least it's a florin. That's pretty cool. That's about 3 florins I've found in the past month. Yeah, alright, on to the next one. 12:42. 7. Here a little bit at the surface. $0.01 by the look of it. It's a coin of some description. Say that's a halfpenny, if we can even see it this time of the night. G'day guys, I'm just trying to clean up some of the coins for this video, and it's a little bit difficult to you know, to sort of get enough light on them and get them in the right angles to see properly on the camera there. So anyway, I've already started cleaning up a few Here's a couple of 2 sensors. So I'll just put them right up there. There's a 50 cent, I think it was 1982. It's pretty corroded. Put that one up there too. There was a 20 cent. Couldn't even really see the date on that one. It doesn't really matter. Probably a similar date to the to that 50. I'll chuck that up there. I found this 12 gauge shotgun shell end, and it says number 12 US climax by the look of it. It's sort of a bit convoluted on the side, and that could be an interesting one to try and look up the history of number 12 US climax. I'll check that out later. I've already cleaned up this florin that I found, and it is a 1957, so it's a little bit kind of stained. It's only 50% silver, so that's a good one. What's this? 1952 penny. What's that one? 1943, is it? I think that's a 43 halfpenny. Fairly corroded. Right, now I've got this other container of other things in here. We'll see what else we've got. Keep on going. I'll try and do my best here to clean this up. I'm just got a container of water here. So what have we got here? That's a halfpenny. I'll have to try and go look through the camera itself so I can see what I'm looking at here. What's that? It's like another 1943 halfpenny. Same as that other one. What's all this? These look like just 1s and 2s, so I don't think I'll worry too much about cleaning those things. Not my favourite coins. It's 2 cents, and there's 3 1 cents there. Put them over in the pile. There's a $2 coin. Give it a quick clean up. It's our Australian $2. Put that one there. Here's a $1. See if we can get any of this off it. It's a little bit cleaner. $1. Don't really care about the date. Oh, there's a silver threepence along with a 1 cent. So we'll just put the threepence in there and clean it in a sec. Just give this 1 cent a quick scrub off with the toothbrush. 1 cent on the pile, and this is a wheat threepence. That looks to be a 44. See if I can zoom in a little bit. 1944, 3 pence. Putting down there. A little bit light on the silvers. Here's another 2 lots of 1 cent, which we're not too concerned about. Put them in the pile. What's this? 1 more 2 cent. So that looks like that's about it. Put that in the pile. I think that's it. Just a moment. Just drain this water out. Yep, that's it there. I'll just grab that pocket watch that I also found. So this is the pocket watch that I also found during this particular week. I don't think I can clean it up much more than that. It's pretty far gone. Try and zoom in a bit. You can see a couple of the little gears inside there. So yeah, it's a pocket watch, but it's not real good. So yeah, there you go.